morning, everyone. This is the day 2. Yesterday, we spent most of the time at the beach. खाना खाए, मछली खाए, ज़बरदस्त मच्छी थी. And now we are leaving the resort at 6:40. We stayed at Sunny Beach Resorts. This is about 5 kilometers from the beach. I wouldn't recommend anyone to stay here, but we could only find this place as this is the last weekend of 2020, so it was kind of all the hotels near Sri Lanka are booked, so that is the reason we have to choose this one. And we are off to Chirala Beach, which is 17 kilometers from here. लेफ्ट लेके देखूं. So we are finally at the Chirala beach with our bikes, and I'm told Sri Lanka beach doesn't allow motorcycles or cars to drive on the beach or ride on the beach, but I was also told that shit बैगन को बोलो है. पानी आ गया नहीं. यहाँ पे आ गया था जी, नहीं आ रहा था अब से. I find Chirala beach better than the Sri Lanka beach because of less crowd, and कचरा भी ज़रा थोड़ा कम है यहाँ पे. And actually I've seen dead fishes on the seashore at Sri Lanka beach because of fishing. Last night we were there till 10:30, I guess. And they were fishing there. There were 200 fishermen who were taking out the fish net. So that's there. You should come to Chirala beach, and we also would like to go to Ramapuram beach, but देखना time है या नहीं है. But this is a beautiful beach, and trust me, you should come here if you're coming to Sri Lanka. बाजू है 30 minutes drive, 30 minutes ride, and you are at this magnificent beautiful beach. क्या ज़बरदस्त दिख रहा है रो. after about an hour or more, and after taking some photos, after riding through the beach, we are finally leaving, and we are not going to go to the Ramapuram beach. We are heading straight back to Hyderabad as we have lost some time. मज़ा आ गया भाई लेकिन. So I'm not sure if you can legally ride here, but I'm told that you can do so, but we've had no issues. कॉप से उससे पुलिस से कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ इधर, but and it's a beautiful beach. I'm told Surya Lanka is even better. Maybe yesterday was not the right time for us to visit it. अब लोग हाँ बोल रहे हैं थोड़े सूर्य लंका अच्छा है, थोड़े बोल रहे चिराला अच्छा है. वो मिक्स्ड ओपिनियंस है. शिटिंग्स गोइंग ऑन्स भाई. इतने केराग व्यू पे करना दिल बोलता है क्या? करना दिल बोलता है क्या? बस व्यूज को देख लेते. We just had our breakfast and we are leaving for Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad is 267 kilometers, and we are following the Nalgonda route. This is the other route we took yesterday that has pathetic roads, very terrible roads. So I wouldn't recommend you guys riding through that route. That route is through Nagarjuna Sagar, the alternate route that you see here. And the route that is through Nalgonda is the fastest route. It was about 309 kilometers from Chilara. नाम भूल गया यार वो. Chirala beach, and it's 5.5 hours. तो अभी हम ना एक मैकेनिक ढूंढ रहे. We need to get the chain fixed. बीच पे पूरी मट्टी लग गई. We have to get it lubed, cleaned and lubed. This route is amazing. If you are coming from Hyderabad or riding back to Hyderabad, I would suggest this route. This is the fastest route from Hyderabad, and this is actually the Vijayawada highway, and we are about 200 kilometers away from Hyderabad. And I must say the roads on this route are far better than what we did yesterday. And also this road has a lot of dhabas and everything, so you can have food. वो जो कल की रूट थी उसमें इतने होटल्स तो दूर की बात, दुकानें नहीं थी, because that was very rural area and it was not much of a highway, because we did the Nagarjuna Sagar route. The road till Nagarjuna Sagar dam is very nice. ऐसी चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है रोड, मतलब ज़्यादा गड़े वड़े नहीं है, लेकिन once you cross Nagarjuna Sagar dam, that's where वो रूट पूरी ख़राब हो जाती अप टिल चिराला बीच और सूर्य लंका. सो ये जो रूट है, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट रूट टू go to Surya Lanka as well as go back to Hyderabad. Just go to the same route if you are someone who wants to see scenic routes or scenic beauty, and if you want to cover Nagarjuna Sagar dam as well. हम लोग पहले नहीं गए थे Nagarjuna Sagar dam, so we wanted to complete 2 or 3 things together. तो इसीलिए Nagarjuna Sagar dam and then Etipotla waterfalls plus Surya Lanka beach and Chirala beach. That's what we covered in this whole ride, and we would be reaching home by 4 or 5. The plan is to take it slow, मतलब ब्रेक ज़रा अच्छे लेके एंजॉय करके जाने का प्लान है. So we are going to have our lunch at a ढाबा. 2 दिन से तो हम लोग मीडियोकर ब्रेकफास्ट हुए कर रहे हैं, नॉट कुछ भी. ज़रा सालन रोटी, ज़रा हैदराबाद के वही कैसा खाते अपना, तो रोटी वो खा के ज़रा टाइम हो गया, तो इसीलिए हम ना इडली वो खा रहे ब्रेकफास्ट में. तो एंड लंच भी जो है ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं. द डिनर लास्ट नाइट वी हैड फिश एट सूर्यलंका बीच मार्केट एंड इट वाज अमेजिंग. पेट नहीं भरे लेकिन ज़्यादा. सो अभी सुबह हम लोग इडली खाए अगेन. अभी जो है ढाबे का रुकने का प्लान है. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. अच्छा टोल बूथ है बोल के अच्छी है जी रोड, अब समझना है. वेलकम टू तेलंगाना स्टेट कहते हैं. आ गए हैदराबाद. बाजू गली में, बाजू ही गली में है जी हैदराबाद. एक ईरानी चाय मारे तो ख़त्म. अरे अब अपना पोस्ट रहता शायद. हल्लू चलेंगे बाबा, एग्जॉस्ट रख लेके, होशियारी नहीं करने का बाबा. सस्पेंशन किराक है भाई उसका. हिल रहा. वो उसके ऊपर क्रेट भी है, खोल के देखेंगे क्या है. एंड वी आर फाइनली नियर हैदराबाद और इन हैदराबाद. 23 kilometers from my home and it has been an amazing ride. क्या मज़ा आया भाई, ज़बरदस्त. जो भी हैदराबाद में रहते यार, नियर बाई सूर्यलंका रहते, if Suryalanka is near to you, you need to go right to that place and have fun on the beach. ज़बरदस्त जगह है. और ये जो हाईवे जिससे हम लोग वहाँ आए, ये हाईवे ज़बरदस्त है. इससे अगर गए और आए तो मज़ा आ जाता. You can cruise anything between 18 to 120 or 130 आराम से. Now on this bike we did 90, 95, 100. That's what we did. But you could go more. That's not safe, but you could do more if you want to. And this road is amazing. जो विजयवाड़ा हाईवे है, that highway is amazing. And trust me, you guys should go visit Suryalanka and Chirala. अपना नियरेस्ट बीच है भाई हैदराबाद से. जाओ सब लोग वहाँ राइड करो, have some fun and do let me know in the comment section below if you've been to Suryalanka and or Chirala. And that's about it for this video. Ride hard, ride safe, and I hope to see you around.